Good morning, this is Jeremy with Easy Logistics Management. I had just gotten back from the Consumer Electronics Show, or CES show in Las Vegas a couple of weeks back, and I wanted to kind of briefly walk you through why I think we're a great option for logistics and warehousing for consumer electronics and electronics in general, and then kind of give you some highlights of some of the coolest or most interesting things that I saw at the show this year. But let's dive into this really quick. Why I think we're well positioned to be a great logistics and shipping provider and warehousing and fulfillment provider to the Consumer Electronics Show. Number one, we have two different great freight shipping options. One is Global Trans, which is our longest partner. They provide great LTL shipping rates, full truckload shipping rates, partial truckload shipping rates, and have a really robust truckload infrastructure. We can also API connect those rates and infrastructure and carriers to pretty much any platform that you might be using if full automation is helpful to you guys. Additionally, a sister company of ours has access to Priority One, which in my opinion is probably more tailored towards less than truckload and tends to have maybe a little bit better rate on the lowest cost carrier, as well as one unintentional benefit that we've run into is that it makes shipping prohibited commodities a whole lot easier, because it actually almost pulls the information from the carrier's rules tariff directly into their quote screen. And this could be great for prohibited commodities like batteries that are harder to ship or provide more problems, and it'll really easily shows you which carriers will and won't carry those commodities, making your carrier selection process easier. Number two, we have two great parcel shipping options with heavy discounts, large dim divisors to drive your overall price or weight-based and dimensionally based price down, which is huge, especially for like big screen TVs, things like that. And then we have some consumer electronics tailored tiers with one of our providers that can offer all kinds of interesting benefits to the Consumer Electronics Show if parcel shipping is your biggest pain point. Number three, we have 60 warehouse and fulfillment locations now through partnerships I've arranged, and over 12 million square feet of total potential space. So we can handle large scale projects, 60 fulfillment locations that can handle overflow storage, cross-docking, pick and pack projects, drop shipping, and pretty much anything else you could think of. This can also be API automated into your preferred platforms, but really from a consumer electronics standpoint, just because the products are sometimes fragile and very expensive, by warehousing closer to your end clients, the products get touched less, there's less transit related damages, it delivers faster, and there's just a whole host of benefits for fragile and expensive commodities by warehousing and shipping closer to your end customer. Generally, we should be able to get you within a 1 day to same day transit of your end customer with all those warehouses, but give us a call to scope it out. And then fourth, API integrations. This is something that I'm pretty interested in, and automating process. We can API integrate all these different shipping and logistics options into your preferred e-commerce vendor, your ERP business software that you might be using like SAP or Oracle or NetSuite, your preferred order management platform, accounting softwares like Microsoft Dynamics, and then if you want to, you can even inject it into your current preferred transportation management or freight management software system, so that if you have some carrier direct tariffs that you like, you can also backfill those rates with our blanket brokered tariffs with deep discounts, just to fill in all the lanes where maybe you don't have the best price on every single load, because it's hard for one or two carriers to always have the best price in every single lane. It's a big country, and we service all of the US, North America, and Mexico. And then as a fifth and maybe up and coming thing, we're exploring a lot of AI integrations. So currently we're working on integrating AI into our website via API and our CRM system for AI assisted sales management. But the list goes on and on and on, but it's something that we're trying to push the envelope on. So if you value that and you want to work with somebody who's forward thinking in that way, that's another reason you should consider working with us. I mean, as a whole, it really doesn't matter what it is. It's just whatever your biggest pain point is, we're here to service that and backfill it with all our other services if you want. So these are things that we deal with every day. We like consumer electronics. We've been going to the show for years and years. If you want to set up a short meeting, just give me a call at 866-854-5341 extension 3 or jeremy@easylogisticsmanagement.com. And with that said, let's jump into some of the cooler things I saw at Consumer Electronics. We hope to talk to you soon and make it an awesome week.
Apparently the world of smartphones, the future is rugged as well, which works well for my outdoor lifestyle. Pretty amazing. Apparently this is probably really the future, is these glasses that are connected to ChatGPT and other AI sources. They can look at stuff, translate it, communicate back and forth with AI, asking it questions, receiving inputs, and then deciphering and recording your surrounding environment. All little tiny glasses like that. Pretty rad.
Alright guys, we're running a little bit behind on all of our sessions, but we will probably get the next one started within the next 10 minutes or so. And we got another really great speaker coming up, and we worked out.
And of course, there will always be pen time. There's a product called Hypervision. So rad.
If you've just joined us and you would love to take.
Of course, there's the link. What would you call it? Mudra neural link strap. Literally that little. Crazy. Neural sensing link on your wrist. Of course, TVs that are out of this world. Wouldn't be complete without that at CES. Whoa! Pretty amazing. 3,000 lumen large scale projectors. Crazy quality. It's like video games have come a long way from PS3.
It unleashes potential for stunning camera moves.
Apparently my 85-inch TV isn't big enough anymore now. They're 115 to 120 inches. Woo. Then we got these AI baby robot toys. Oh man. Woo. Brave new world, y'all. Powered by artificial intelligence. It's probably more what I'm interested in, is the way that bikes and other mobility can be powered by these pedal assist technologies. Pretty amazing. Here's some of what I think the future of autonomous and mass transit is going to be more like. Instead of rail, will be these micro electric autonomous vehicles like Zoox, I believe is the name of the company. Pretty cool. Looks like Honda's getting fully on board with the electrification of autos. Pretty cool. It's my first time seeing the ID Buzz Volkswagen. Pretty cool looking little thing. Probably a super useful configuration of a car. You can actually fit more people in it comfortably. And just the sheer size of these screens. Wow. Crazy, eh? This is what the battery packs look like. It's for a company called Zeekr. It's a new automotive company. This is what the drivetrains look like. Looks like almost a motor replacement over there. A couple of new cars from Zeekr. Awesome. It's more of a utilitarian vehicle. Much quieter will the world be when trash trucks and fire department trucks and buses are all electric. Looks like it's coming. Just the battery pack to get it done, huh? Nice. Finally, some robots. Been far too few robots for my liking at this year's CES. Thought I'd see a ton. Having some drones, some autonomous flight, Samba motors. Apparently Marty McFly and Doc have been here. I think this is the original Back to the Future DeLorean. That is so rad. Could dump garbage in there and get nuclear fission. Woo, look at that thing. Nice. And there's, of course, the donut motor wheel. Crazy performance specs. 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. It's amazing. Now we're talking. There you go. Look at this. It's a truck. They drone aircraft attached to it. Wow. Looking at a powered exoskeleton for heavy lifting applications. Crazy. Or you have the robot candy machines. It's actually really cool.